What if I told you there was a country cut off from much of the world's trade, but that was able to keep its COVID-19 deaths low, produce its own vaccines, and roll them out to over 95% of its population at one of the fastest rates in the world? That country is here, Cuba. It's a pretty remarkable story. Cuba has been under a massive US trade embargo for well over 60 years. That means companies cannot do business here, and it can be very difficult to import things.
Siempre ha existido el bloqueo, siempre ha sido terrible, pero cada vez ha sido más estricto.
Yet it dealt with COVID so well. How? The Cuban government has spent decades investing in its health infrastructure and making its own life-saving medicines and vaccines.
Fue una decisión estratégica del país, no de ahora, de la pandemia, de hace mucho tiempo, de desarrollar la ciencia, de poner la ciencia en función del bienestar social y de la salud pública.
So when the pandemic hit, while other developing countries were forced to scramble for scarce vaccines, Cuba made its own, 3 in fact, with efficacy rates over 90%.
Todo el mundo siente este resultado como propio. Más que una vacuna, es un país.
But unlike those other corporations who produce COVID-19 vaccines, Cuba shared its with the world. It sent doses to other embargoed nations like Iran, Venezuela, and Nicaragua, and collaborated with countries like Argentina and Vietnam.
Si el bloqueo no existiera, hoy no habría limitación para generar suficiente número de dosis para muchos países del tercer mundo que en estos momentos lo necesitan.
These are the 2 planks to Cuba's world-leading health system: sovereignty, develop the capacity to build things ourselves, and solidarity, help others who need it. This model of health internationalism and sovereignty is a lesson to us all. By nationalizing production and developing industries, countries can coordinate production and distribution, and when big health emergencies happen, we're responding to the interests of people, not big pharma.